Welcome to the very beginning fringe of my 2021 riding season. I get to start in February again, but only barely since this was recorded on the 27th. We caught a 50 degree Fahrenheit, 10 in that other scale, or a balmy 283 degrees Kelvin day, so I went for a ride. I was able to ride a few days earlier, but did not get any usable footage or audio, and I wasn't gone long enough to give a proper opinion on my new mods from the how-to series I've uploaded. So you can see I'm on Indiana 44, personal favorite Shakedown road. It's a relatively gentle road, but it has a few tighter curves as well, so it's a good mix for trying out new parts. Plus, I'm pretty familiar with it, so I can focus on those aforementioned new parts without worrying as much about what the road is doing. Just riding on the boring, straight portions of roadway, there isn't a whole lot of change from stock. The front does seem a bit more compliant over the harsher jolts, but the rear is a little bit firmer. I did not significantly change the ride height. Cruisers are corner clearance challenged enough already without slamming it to the ground. I did notice on the first real turn, the bike feels nicely confident, and the rear, in car terms, feels more willing to rotate around the curve. So a bit less understeery, a little snappier maybe. It's not a huge difference, but it seems nice. I've also not ridden since December, so I don't have a good back-to-back comparison. You'll notice I did voiceover on this one and use cam audio for the road noise like usual. I'm also testing out a new audio setup, but I still need to figure out the right levels and mic placement. I set it on auto and mounted it to the 6-pack rack, and it was just a mess of wind and mechanical noise. A distorted disaster. And that's with a deadcat on it. Trust me, I'll get it. It might end up on camera to get out of the wind behind this big windscreen, but it should be nearly binaural V-twin goodness. Now for me to hush and you to enjoy the rest of the ride.